What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So jumping right into the video, the beautiful hair that you see on my head is from ISEE Hair. And you guys know that I work with ISEE Hair a lot, so you already know how their quality is. Don't even need to talk about it, but this lace is very transparent. So I have the 18-inch wig, and the texture is the straight texture. When I first got this wig, when I say it was just like silky straight, I didn't even want to wash it. I didn't want to do anything to it, bleach the knots, nothing, because it was just that silky. Like, I wanted to put it straight on my head. So for today's video, I am going to show you guys how I do my natural looking baby hairs on my wig. So I always install the wig first, and I let the hair that I want to use for the baby hairs hang out in the front, kind of like on my forehead, and just finding my part really quick with my hot comb, and then proceeding to actually cut down these baby hairs. Like I said, I don't even really have much to say about the hair because it was just that banging. I didn't add any type of anything to the lace this time. You can add makeup if you'd like, but today I just wasn't feeling it, so I just went on ahead. And I know you can kind of see the lace, but that's why you always go back in with your scarf after you're finished doing all your finishing touches, so that the lace actually can melt into that glue, got to be, or whatever it is you're using. So to start off with my natural looking baby hairs, I do like to cut the hairs pretty short. I'll cut them kind of like medium at first, and then I'll go back in and kind of cut some more if I need to. So my favorite go-to foam right now is the Pantene foam. They have different kinds. It doesn't really matter which one. I have all of them. Just whatever one is closest to reach right now. So I did put the Cream of Nature styling foam in the closet. I don't even use that anymore. So I do go in with this foam, and I use this foam to kind of shape my baby hairs and kind of swipe them over and do my little swoops and loops, just to figure out, the look that I'm going for. If I feel like it's needed, I'll go back in and add some more hair from the actual hairline, and you'll see right here that I kind of just start swooping with the foam on my baby hair brush. And if I feel like the hair is too long, I'll just go in with my scissors, chop off a little piece, and go back into swooping. There's no particular art to this. I kind of like do it like I would do my natural baby hairs. And this has become my ultimate favorite method when going in with my lace wigs, especially because doing the same look over and over on your wig can get a little repetitive, and you kind of just be over it. I don't know about y'all, but me, I just be over it. So I'll be having to switch it up and do something different. So I did fall in love with this baby hair look. Some days I go for the bigger swoops like I used to do, and then also with this method, using the foam after I do take off my scarf, all I have to do is go back in with the baby hair brush and brush through the baby hairs, and they'll be like super wispy and still movable. So altogether, I feel like using this method, you're just winning, and your wig just looks 100 times better. Like I said, once you're finished though, you just put on your scarf, let that lay a little bit for a couple minutes, and then pull it off, and your lace will be completely melted. When going in with the foam straight after you apply your wig, the lace can start to lift a little bit, but like I said, if you lay it down with a scarf, you'll be Gucci, you'll be fine. You'll see like in the middle of my lace is coming up a little bit, but we all good. So once everything is laid down, I'm gonna show you guys a little close up on the actual edges, and then proceed to curl the hair with my flat iron. Just really quick flat iron curls, nothing special. I did start off with a middle part. I ended up changing it to a side part and adding a little, a little sauce in there with a little clip. But yeah, I'm in love with this method and this hair. This is probably one of the best actually straight hair wigs that I've received. A lot of companies, when you get straight hair from them, you actually wash, shampoo and condition it and stuff like that, the hair has like a type of frizz to it, and I did not have that issue at all with this hair. It was still super silky as it was when I first received the wig. So after I felt like my part was flat enough, I went in with this little clip that has the pearls on it, and then just proceeded to kind of mess with the bang a little bit. I did recurl a couple pieces, and I did curl backwards. Um, Depending on the angle that you say, I mean, on the angle, um, some will say I curled under, but if I had my arm twisted the other way, it would be back. I know what I'm trying to say. I don't know how to explain it, but I guess you could say I curled it under, but I really curled it back. And then I proceeded to run my fingers through the bang and kind of give myself that what we call it, the Big Bang Theory. If you've been following me for a minute, you already know what that is. But yeah, this is pretty much the finished look. In love with this wig, in love with this hair, in love with this baby hair method. um so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one.